What you guys got another video. Windows 11 24H2 update is completely broken, and I'm still on 23H2 because I can't update to 24H2 because I get blue screens and all sorts of other issues, and tons of other people are going through the same thing. Microsoft have released multiple updates for 24H2 to try to patch and fix a lot of these bugs, but there's still 10 persistent bugs that are plaguing Windows 11 24H2. A lot of people are saying that they don't even get an offering of 24H2, and the reason for that is because Microsoft have frozen the update for some people that are using certain particular type of software, and they're just not rolling it out. And there's also other reasons why you might not be receiving 24H2, and that could be because you have blocked it. Like I've showed you in previous videos on how to pause 24H2 update and stay on 23H2 like myself. I'm on 23H2 and you can see this area is grayed out. You can't click on it, and that's because I've locked it in to stay on 23H2 using the group policy editor, as you can see right here. And this is probably still the best policy for a lot of people that are doing certain things with their computer. So if you're one of those people that are wondering whether 24H2 is okay to use now and it's fixed, the answer to that is no. It's still very buggy, and I would probably stay clear of it for the time being. That being said, there's a lot of people that are on 24H2 and don't have any issues. But if you do a bit of research and look on the internet, you can see there is tons of information about the buggy 24H2 update. And this is just an ongoing problem. The persistent bug list just grows. You can see AutoCAD 22 has been added to this list where it's causing problems where it's not opening. And this is a big problem because some people do use AutoCAD, especially companies use AutoCAD. We also have the Citrix session recording agent is still causing issues, and this has been going on since the January patch Tuesday update revealed compatibility issues with the Citrix component. Also, we have easy anti-cheat blue screen issues. That has been ongoing for a number of months, and this is probably one of the big reasons why I can't update to 24H2, because I do a lot of gaming, and also that uses the easy anti-cheat. They seem to fix it, and then the bug comes back, and then there's issues with it. And that is, for instance, Call of Duty, Fortnite, and a bunch of other games that use the easy anti-cheat as their anti-cheat program, which is causing problems with 24H2. So if you're a gamer and you use easy anti-cheat, then do not even attempt to update to 24H2. If you check Microsoft's website for the known issues for 24H2, they've got a few listings on here, but the list is even more extensive than what they are publicizing. Like internet glitches. Internet glitches, some people are saying they're experiencing internet glitches where they have severe network issues and it's causing major problems. So if that is the case and you are one of those people, then let me know in the comment section down below. It will help people determine whether they want to roll out this update, because obviously this has been out for quite a while now, Windows 11 24H2, and some people have had no issues whatsoever with it, and I understand that. But there is also tons of people that are having issues with it, and you can see the confirmed cases right here on their website. They have actually now added the AutoCAD 2022, and this might not open after updating to Windows 11 version 24H2. There's also ones that have been resolved, but there's also ones on here that haven't been resolved and now still ongoing. And this is a major problem for Microsoft, because Windows 10 end of life is coming very, very, very soon, and they need to start getting a stable version of Windows 11 for people to use. And if 24H2 is not stable, Windows 23H2 reaches end of life around about November. I think I'll check a little bit later in the video. But if you're one of these people that are thinking about rolling out the update to 24H2, be careful, because there is still known issues. There's 10 major bugs that are still causing problems. And I would make sure you read that list and go through it with a fine-tooth comb before you roll out the update, because obviously you don't want to have to roll back again, because that adds risk, because I've even heard that some people have updated to 24H2, they've tried to roll back to 23H2, and there's been some sort of issue during the rollback period and they've had to do a fresh install and they lost everything. So be very careful. It's important that you back all your data up before you do a major feature update like this, because obviously it's making serious structural changes to the operating system when you do feature updates. So you need to make sure you back all your data up. Microsoft will not be held responsible for your data if something goes wrong during the update process or the rollback process if you have to roll back. You can see right here on numerous websites about issues being publicized about internet, also printers, also network sharing. I had to fix a network share for someone because they could not get their NAS to show up on the network after they update to 24H2. Again, of course, you're going to get people in the comments section telling you that it's a load of nonsense. I'm fear-mongering because they're having no issues whatsoever with 24H2. What they forget is the world doesn't revolve around one person. There is literally billions of people using Windows operating systems, and of course, this problem is worldwide. So it just might not affect you, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's not affecting someone else. My personal opinion is to stay on 23H2. You still have up until I think it's November. I'll check the end of life for 23H2. I think you have up until November, which means you'll still receive all of the security updates and all of the patches just like you would on 24H2. The only difference is you're not going to have any issues with 23H2 because there is no problems with 23H2. It's just Windows 11 version 24H2 that is full of bugs and causing loads of issues, because this is a major feature update that Microsoft have been trying to get rolled out to everyone and get it stable on people's PCs. But unfortunately, like I said, there's major issues with a lot of the things like internet and also easy anti-cheat, AutoCAD, and the list goes on. I was even talking in Discord with someone about Voicemeeter app that was causing issues. They have now resolved that. But again, if you're using audio and Voicemeeter and things like that, it can cause issues. In the past, they have resolved it. But this just goes to show you the widespread issues that 24H2 is causing. Some of them might not be listed on here, and that's because Microsoft might not have picked up on it. So let's take a look at the end of life for 23H2. If you're on Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro, you can see here it's still in support and it's still being supported. The end of life is, which I said, November 11th, 2025, which means you'll still receive all of the same security updates that you would get if you was on 24H2. So why go through all that pain when you can just stay on 23H2 right up until November, and then hopefully all of the bugs have been ironed out with 24H2, and then you can roll out your updates on your system then once it's been fixed. Let me know if you've updated to version 24H2 and you've had any issues, or whether you're having trouble-free computing with 24H2. I'll be happy to read your comments. Anyway, with that said, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Have a lovely weekend. I just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who joined my YouTube members group, whether you're tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3. I really do appreciate the support. Hopefully I will catch you on the Discord server for a chat. The link is in the video description, or I'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.